This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our super fun hot dog cake project. This sweet design is just the quirky touch you need to finish off a summer holiday celebration or just your next barbecue. It's a fun, festive way to practice your carving skills and create an adorable 3D design. The fun toppings are a great bright finish that set off our designs. Think ketchup, mustard, and pickles, and they're also an easy way that you can customize it for your own celebration. Think instead cheddar cheese, chili, red onion. There's a million ways you can finish your dog. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling, carving, and crumb coating your design. We cover how to get a nice smooth finish on those beautiful rounded 3D surfaces, and to use your buttercream on unusual and unique direction changes, making your colors, and also putting on all those little finishing touches. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get it as part of your yearly membership. Plus so much more while saving a bunch. For more information about this course or signing up for a yearly membership, go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.